Welcome to My Project Bazaar. Our project title is Machine Learning Applications in Flood Forecasting and Predictions, Challenges and Way Out in the Perspective of Challenging Environment. Abstract of our project. Flood severity prediction is critical for disaster management, and this study leverages IoT-enabled sensor data to develop an ensemble machine learning model for accurate flood forecasting. The dataset includes real-time environmental parameters such as rainfall intensity, water level, soil moisture, and temperature preprocessed to handle missing values, outliers, and normalization. The model combines long short-term memory (LSTM) networks for time series analysis and support vector machines (SVM) for classification, enabling robust flood severity predictions. Visualization techniques including time series plots and correlation heat maps provide insights into feature relationship and model performance. Evaluation metrics such as MAE, RMSE, accuracy, and F1 score demonstrate the model's effectiveness in predicting flood severity levels. The results highlight the potential of IoT-driven ensemble models in enhancing flood risk assessment and mitigation strategies. Objectives of our project: utilization of IoT-enabled sensor data, implementation of ensemble machine learning models, classification of flood severity levels, evaluation of model performance, enhancement of flood risk assessment and mitigation. Next, flow of our project. So first start the model, then data loading. Data loading in the sense we have collected the data set for flood severity prediction from the public repository. We have loading that data set to our model. Next, pre-processing. In pre-processing step, we have done null value identification and label encoding. Next, data splitting. Data splitting in this sense, we have splitting our entire data set into 80 is to 20 percentage of ratio. 80 percentage of data has been trained and 20 percentage of data has been tested. Next, algorithm part. Here we have using LSTM and SVM algorithm for model training. Finally, prediction. Then end of the project. So this is our web application. So here we have the flood severity prediction as our project name, then performance, awareness, admin, registration, login, and finally logout button. So first we need to register. So I'm going to register with ZZ, first name, last name, email address, and phone number, password as ZZ, confirm password. So click register. It will automatically move on to the login page. So login with the same username and password. So this is our prediction page. So here we need to enter the feature values. So I'm going to give the rainfall value is 190, water level, soil moisture, temperature, water quality and humidity. Click submit. So the model will predict the severity as high flood severity. So here see the awareness part. So for the high flood severity, so we need to take these precautions. So next, this is the performance button. So here our model performance overview. For the support vector machine, we have the accuracy value as 85% and this is the confusion matrix of support vector machine classifier. So next, LSTM, long short term memory. So here we got 98% of accuracy and this is the confusion matrix of LSTM classifier. So next, this is the button for CV awareness. So finally, I'm going to log out the user. So I'm going to log in again. So here we have the this prediction page. So finally I'm going for the home page. So this is the admin button. So here the admin can delete the users who are all not needed. So I'm going to delete this Z. So after that, here in the database also the Z user is not available. So now I'm going for the home page and again going to try with the ZZ user login. So invalid login credential. So I have already a user as AA. Going with AA, it will move on to the prediction page and this is the logout button. Thank you.